So you might be in a situation where on ChatGPT, you're getting this type of prompt. You're getting something that basically says that there's been an upstream connect error. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The first thing to keep in mind here, though, is that if you're having this type of problem, it could be a really random type of issue. So what you're going to want to do is you just want to go through and you want to just open up ChatGPT like this. You want to go and just close out of it like this, give it a few seconds, and you want to go and open it back up. If you're using the website version, just go through and close out of ChatGPT the website, give it a few seconds, open it back up, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. For a lot of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do, and that might end up fixing the problem in this particular situation as well. Now, if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing you're going to want to try doing is to see if ChatGPT is actually down. So you can make your way over to any website that basically shows you what's up and what's down in terms of the servers. So in this case, I'll just make my way over to downdetector.com. But there are a lot of websites that you can basically go to and basically do this type of information. So go to one of these types of websites and you're going to want to go and see if OpenAI or ChatGPT are basically down. So you're going to be able to see a bunch of information like this here. So go and try finding the particular one that works the best for you. So in this case, we'll just go in here. And if it's down, then all you're going to have to do is kind of wait it out until the end of fixing the problem. If that's still not working, you might be able to try opening up your App Store or your Google Play Store and try seeing if you can actually search for ChatGPT and basically just update the ChatGPT application. Sometimes that might be the way to fix it as well. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.